My name's Steve Countryman. I'm the president at ASC Machine Tools. We're a vertically integrated manufacturer of roll forming equipment. So we basically take flat steel anywhere from 29 gauge on the light side to 4 gauge on the heavy side. Take a flat metal and put a profile on it, profile spec by the customer, and build the machines to make that profile. ASC actually stands for Aluminum Supply Company. When they first started, we were providing aluminum pipe primarily to the irrigation industry. And after World War II completed, we have an aluminum plant here in Spokane, and they had a whole bunch of material that they didn't have any demand for out in the market after the war completed and plane building stopped. And so they came to ASC and asked them if they had a use for the product, and we built our first roll former in the 50s. That evolution has been from very simple, very manual, slow, heavy-duty equipment to now highly automated. A machine that used to take 6, 7, 8 people to run 30 years ago is now run by 1 or 2 people due to automation and technology. We're continuously doing R&D projects, looking at new technology that we can implement into the field, into our customers.
We have our own 3D printer for kind of our own rapid prototyping. So ASC's been in business since 1949. We just celebrated our 75th anniversary. As technology's evolved, using more servos now than we used to ever before, going away from straight hydraulic motors, VFDs, PLCs with complex programs, all of that. So the commitment to producing quality equipment locally here in the Pacific Northwest and then shipping that worldwide has been something that's been consistent since the beginning. We currently have customers that are all over the world.
We get a little bit of everything. So some customers will have something in their mind of how they want it to look, something different, something new, and then we can accommodate that. And we'll do completely custom to whatever they want. Really, we're just solving problems.
Mechanical engineers working with electrical engineers, working with sales. We communicated with our customers what the needs were to make sure we effectively understood the problem we were trying to solve. My favorite part about engineering is solving problems. It really is.
World-class equipment really starts with world-class manufacturing. We're blessed to have wonderful people in our engineering team and our manufacturing team. We are only as good as the people that we hire.